Tampa. This is being sent from Jason Hewsome from Tampa to Fishnpanama. This is pretty amazing. All right, what we have, wait, something's missing. How am I gonna open it? Something else is missing. Oh my God. Is this supposed to be used like this? Oh, that's amazing. All right, so about a week and a half ago, Jason Hewsome hits me up via Instagram and he says, listen, I think I might have some lures that can work out for the snook fishing that you're doing. Jason told me he sent a whole bunch of goodies. So let's just open this and see what's going on here. The moment of truth. Oh, dude. This is pretty awesome, man. Yo, this is the best. Tampa Fishing Outfitters. Don't mind the hair. I might as well just give it a little nudge. Now we're talking. How does that look? That's pretty awesome, man. Look at all this. This brand's called 13 Fishing. Oh, this guy was talking to me about this brand, Gerardo, from the last video. He was telling me about the lures. Never mind the woman I got next to me. She's just, you know, snooping around, seeing what I got. Oh, nice little jig heads. Berkeley Fusion 2.0s. Same thing, just another color. And a whole bunch of goodies. This is DOA Cal Series. I know. It says, she's telling me my daughter's gonna love them because they have like little sparkles. I know, she loves sparkles. This is the same brand, different color. Unfair Lures. These look pretty cool. Is this the mullet? This is the 6-inch mullet. You was telling Jason, you were telling me about this. This looks like it's gonna catch something. I think it's gonna be a massive snook, hopefully, but if not, man, this looks pretty damn awesome, man. Color más lindo, look, this looks amazing, man. Oh, this was going on. I'm strapping this on my cooler right away. Un robalito. Le encanta pescar robalo. I'm just in awe. Jason Hewsome from Tampa. Thank you very much, brother. This is just one of the most amazing unboxings that I've ever done. This is just perfect. Panama, we're not big with plastics unless you're gonna be fishing like plastic shrimps, but this is definitely something that I've been wanting to try for the longest time. Let's see if we can catch some snook on this. Whenever you're down in Panama, brother, I'm gonna take you and your kids fishing, man. So let us know and we'll be hitting that lake together. This is definitely amazing, man. Everything that you sent me. I thought you were sending like one pack of lures, but you sent this all these things. I think that's pretty cool. Jason, thank you very much, man. Send regards to your kids. When you bring them down to Panama, you said these lures were gonna be more effective in the Atlantic. Where, you know, fucking dogs. Jason, thank you very much, man. Jason Hewsome from Tampa. Yo no sé qué chucha es.